Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another segment. And so right now I'm just putting down all my loads, and it's a good opportunity for me to kind of teach you guys that when you're doing your nodes with more than one beam in a row, we got to do each member independently. So if you look up top, members number 5, I just put down my minus 40 UDL on beam number 5, and now I want to do beam number 6. So put beam number 6, minus 40, press OK, and then beam number 7, and OK. So we can't just say I want to go from beam 9 to 12. We got to do them all independently and separately within each other. Alright, so now let's play around with some sections. We want to put down some different sections for our beams and our columns. So go back to the geometry modeling tool. Now we're looking at our section properties tool. I've added a W150 by 37. I'm going to use that as my beams, and we're going to do steel like I said before. So now we want to put in a little bit bigger. We want to do an I-beam, or we can even do a hollow beam. It doesn't matter, whatever you want, but I'm going to do an I-beam for my columns, and something a little bit beefier. Let's pump it up to all right, so I'm going to do 150 by 37 for my beams, and W360 by 51 for my columns. So I'm going to do my columns first. W360 by 51, update, close, columns. Is that section? Yeah, it's section 1. So everything is already section 1 for my columns and also for my beams. But now I want to change it over. If you go top to the properties toolbar, change it to section 2. Now those beams, section 2 now, section 2, and now section 2. So now we've got section 1 columns and section 2 beams. And remember, section 1 is going to be the big W360 by 51, and section 2 is 150 by 37. Save it. And material, we're always just going to keep it at steel just for now. So update, close, everything is M1, all good. Save, and let's run the analysis. And that's perfect. We got no FYIs, no warnings, and no errors. And it first pumps you to this window where we got our graphical tools, and let's look at some deflection, see what happens. Holy crap, we got some crazy stuff going on right there. So we need to change our scale tool. So diagram scale factors and styles, where it's the little rainbow up top. Right now we got our diagram scale factor, user defined scale, as 1000. Let's just go 10. There, that's a little bit better. It's a little bit more accurate representation of what we would actually get. We've got just some saggage at each of the beams, especially the longer ones. We got a little bit more sag. And then the numerical tool, we're all familiar with these tools. You guys know how to use them. It's just a whole breakdown of all of your different nodes and your translations. And yeah, so that's all I'm going to do for this example, but now you've seen how powerful this tool is when we're dealing with frames, and how quick it is to actually analyze an entire frame system.